Virtual Beings News Summary October 26, 2025. Plave expands Korea's virtual idol market through a comeback and Sanrio collaboration. Napster and Infinite Reality position Napster 26 as an AI companion media platform with holographic presentation, and Yuga Labs schedules Other Side's November 12 launch to let bakeholders roam as 3D avatars, while the Hatsune Miku hologram marriage underscores parasocial bonds with virtual performers. Together these show virtual beings operating as performers, companions, and embodied identities across music, holography, and NFT metaverses. In-world AI's NPC work exemplifies simulated characters with natural dialogue and behavioral models designed for in-game agency and responsiveness, indicating a shift from static scripts to generative, memoryful NPCs as a standard design component for immersive worlds. Andreessen Horowitz's involvement in synthetic influencers as a service signals advertiser adoption of manufactured creator personas, while Reddit's Polygon-based collectible avatars show tokenized identity layers used for community engagement and monetization inside mainstream social platforms. Nissan's Sapporo integrates a generative AI driving companion with a bird-like avatar and optional physical figurine, pointing to embodied, emotionally expressive HMIs designed to support driver interaction and brand differentiation. Meta's AI Studio is positioned as a destination for AI character creation and generative media editing, while Fable's Shorerunner concept indicates an app ecosystem for producing AI-native series and characters, marking the consolidation of toolchains for designing, animating, and distributing virtual personas. EA is reported to face difficulties integrating AI tools into development, while Krafton allocates approximately $69.5 million to a GPU cluster for agentic AI, indicating divergent organizational readiness for autonomous characters. Concurrently, community posts across 2XKO, Roblox, GTA Online, Baldur's Gate 3, and Until Dawn demonstrate active player engagement with avatars and NPCs through sharing, humorous remixes, observation of emergent behavior, and modding, and Riot Games recruitment for AI Foundations formalizes studio-level platforms for agent behaviors. Variety's interview with Paul Schrader frames an imminent feature built to do all AI, aligning film production with AI-native workflows and potential digital humans on screen, while YouTube creators promote tools for virtual humans videos in minutes and next-generation AI modeling for brand collaborations, and TikTok clips from Chibidoki and HoloLive's Ina illustrate sustained VTuber performance. Google AI Studio showcases voice-driven coding and an app gallery around Gemini for building assistants. Digix Group presents an AI agent operating system for business automation, and Magic Hour offers video-to-video, lip sync, and AI face pipelines, with HeyGen's educator request illustrating operational needs for versioning in classroom avatar production. Unreal Engine's MetaHuman pipeline issues and Ready Player Me's asset queries reveal practical constraints and content demands in avatar pipelines. Microsoft introduces Miko as a co-pilot avatar that provides a consistent branded face for its productivity assistant, and YouTube Shorts promoting digital humans and coding and #iBrand collab frame digital humans as a vehicle for campaigns and sponsored content. In parallel, LinkedIn's AI clone designed by a Harvard Business School team with partner AI companies illustrates executive or educator personas used for outreach, presence, and thought leadership. Your Story reports Meta's plan to acquire a 30% stake in a Reliance Industries AI subsidiary, indicating a prospective partnership channel for large-scale AI deployment that can underpin virtual companions and avatar services across consumer and enterprise applications in India. Chwenjo's Dianshui Nanal performed Bright Spring on the same stage with virtual artists from Bilibili, and the digital human Haihe interacted with the host in real time, demonstrating that virtual humans and virtual artists are being used to protect and spread intangible cultural heritage music, enhancing the watchability and participation of traditional performances through large-screen digital visuals and live dialogues on stage. In large-scale national ceremonies, the 2023 Hangzhou Asian Games completed the lighting of the main torch with over 100 million digital avatars in conjunction with the offline main torch, demonstrating the organization and technical maturity of virtual identities in ultra-large-scale cultural ceremonies. In museums and exhibitions, holographic projection based on digital avatars is used to stably present movable digital exhibits in exhibition halls, improving the presentability and maintainability of historical relics and digital content. During the 11.11 Shopping Festival, JD.com used Joy AI large models and Li Ying 3D technology to create an immersive shopping experience, launched the virtual idol Aura, and interacted with singer Hua Chenyu on the same stage, using the virtual image to guide new product releases and content promotion. Southern Finance reported that the Cyberstar style of product promotion relies on digital humans and voice synthesis to replicate the voice and speaking habits of celebrities. CCTV's actual testing showed the persuasiveness of this technology in onomatopoeia and character extension, while also reminding brands and platforms of the requirements for compliance, authorization, and authenticity disclosure. Synthesia provides multilingual video generation with configurable avatars, and a large-scale voice library to serve the rapid production of corporate marketing and training content, highlighting the standardized production capabilities of virtual avatars in advertising and promotion. China Eastern Airlines Asset Management is building an AI-driven intelligent procurement and operations system with procurement digital humans as its core, integrating multi-domain knowledge bases to improve the efficiency and refinement of the entire procurement process, reflecting the normalization and specialization of digital humans as enterprise process agents. Microsoft has introduced color-changing virtual presence in Copilot to provide a concrete dialogue interface for general office and knowledge work, making task status and system feedback more intuitive, and enhancing the human-computer collaboration experience of enterprise users in complex workflows. Digital Human Company, Limited, has upgraded its platform's Japanese lip synchronization, emotional expression and camera control for enterprises, and provided flexible deployment solutions to make it easier for digital humans to be embedded in operational positions such as customer service, tour guides and brand hosting. JD.com's virtual idol Aura, as a Joy AI-driven content IP, participated in live streaming and event hosting, supplementing the long-term business path of the brand's own virtual stars. Synthesia used standardized avatar videos to provide a low-cost production method for short entertainment content and knowledge programs, covering elements such as dubbing, lip movement, and emotional expression, providing a technical foundation for multilingual distribution and rapid revisions. China Telecom used AI digital human broadcasters to promote agricultural products for Xinjiang Gago Agricultural Technology Company, Limited, demonstrating how regional brands can use digital human figures to explain their products, boost exposure, and increase conversions. Industry observers also noted that these broadcasters are more adaptable to standardized products, while their effectiveness in niche markets like apparel is limited by the lack of real-time interaction. This suggests that digital humans, based on synthesized speech and preset scripts, are more suitable for marketing scenarios with standard SKUs and fixed scripts. However, the depth of interaction and immediate feedback in live streams remain key technical and operational constraints influencing conversions. This created a dual role structure of virtual performance and virtual hosting, used for stage presentation and audience guidance. The China ASEAN, Nanning, Cultural Month introduced the Digital Recommendation Officer UAUA, who served as event guide and promotion, utilizing AI glasses and other devices to enhance the recognition of digital symbols. In a printing-themed study tour for elementary school students in Nanjing, the AI digital human Baisheng was used to explain the movable type printing process, demonstrating operations and transferring knowledge within the context of historical figures. For internal training, the Guangdong Linggao nuclear power plant used digital human microlessons to deliver granular content on safety and human factors tool applications, serving to standardize processes and solidify experience. Both education and training scenarios demonstrate the suitability of digital humans for teaching subjects with strong process focus, clear knowledge points, and a consistent flow of instruction. Their value lies in standardized expression, consistent presentation, and cross-temporal reuse. Shandong DigiHuman Technology Company, Limited was included in the Jinan High-Tech Zone's Digital Industry Observation Route, demonstrating its presence on the regional digital human supply side. Yan Technology uses 3D graphics computing and hard technology as differentiation barriers, highlighting its underlying graphics and modeling and rendering capabilities. Hangzhou Sanyang Mangguang Technology implements digital human live broadcasting using a methodology from demand diagnosis to solution customization, emphasizing consultative delivery and business process matching. Related companies in Sichuan have made digital humans their core product and implemented them in real-world scenarios, indicating that industrial integration and transformation are taking shape within the province. These enterprise paths demonstrate that the implementation of digital humans requires integrated collaboration from underlying 3D and drive technologies to solution engineering and customer operations. The company's capabilities span graphics, algorithms, workflow orchestration, and industry adaptation. Reports from Changsha clearly point to the stiff and choppy performance of digital humans in short videos, citing deficiencies in key areas such as motion capture and driving, kinematic smoothing, expression speech alignment, and timing consistency. Marketing materials also note that most AI digital human broadcasters cannot interact with netizens in real time, limiting their applicability in live streaming of high-volume, non-standard products. These issues are magnified in the high-feedback environment of content platforms and live-stream e-commerce, highlighting the need for further development in real-time reasoning, motion synthesis, voice expression body coordination, and human-computer interaction mechanisms. Do virtual influencers really influence consumers' purchase intentions? Examines whether virtual influencers' recommendations are perceived as useful and how that perceived usefulness shapes consumers' purchase intentions, extending prior research on virtual influencers by providing empirical guidance on how synthetic spokespersons affect decision-making in marketing contexts. While the abstracted fragment does not specify creator entities or platforms, it clearly situates virtual influencers as marketing actors whose recommendation utility is the operative mechanism under study, and ties their function to measurable outcomes in consumer behavior. Managing anime employees in the virtual office. A case study of HoloLive analyzed corporate management of virtual YouTubers who perform with animated, motion-tracked, anime-style avatars on digital streaming platforms, focusing on HoloLive's organizational practices as depicted in the company's own YouTube videos. The case highlights VTubers as virtual performers operating within a transnational entertainment business, specifies motion tracking and avatar animation as enabling technologies, identifies YouTube as a primary platform, and positions HoloLive as the corporate creator manager orchestrating production, performance, and workplace culture for these virtual beings. Is more human-like better? The impact of virtual streamer language naturalness on user engagement studies virtual streamers used on live streaming e-commerce platforms, and tests how human-like language, both voice naturalness and scripted text naturalness, affects user engagement. The work frames virtual streamers as AI-mediated or synthetic presenters in commercial live shopping contexts, specifies speech and text generation quality as key technological variables, and links these to engagement outcomes without naming specific companies or platforms beyond the category of live streaming e-commerce. To make sure you never miss a new video and to help us reach more great viewers like you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon under the subscribe tab for notification.